guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the rear view mirror in my 2018 Acura TLX because the one that came with the car isn't in the best condition, and I'll show you guys in a sec what I mean. So I purchased one from eBay, which is used from some wrecker on eBay. It came in and it looks pretty good. So we're going to get that installed. Let's get started. All right guys, so this is my mirror. As you can see, there's like marking inside the mirror here, as well as right here. And there's some up here as well. It's just all this inside the mirror. I'm not sure what it is, but it stays in there. It's like inside the glass, which is why we're replacing this mirror. Okay guys, so this is the mirror that I've purchased on eBay through a wrecker that's on eBay. Looks pretty good overall. The black housing itself has some scuffs here and there, but I'm not going to see that for the most part. And plus it's hard to see even on camera, but there is scuffs. Like you can see right there, you can see it, the damage right there on the corner right there. And then there's Sharpie marks all over, which I'll try to remove with some rubbing alcohol. But yeah, you can see the scuffs and everything on the mirror. I mean, as long as the glass looks okay, I'm okay with it. The back part, let's just leave it alone. All right, so to remove the mirror, it's pretty simple. You just got to pop some of these covers off. So you see this cover comes off right here, and you pop this out, and then this back piece will just slide out. I can't do this with one hand. It's pretty easy. You just kind of expand it out this way and to the right, and then it will just pop out. So I'll do that real quick. All right, with the cover removed, you can see the connector back here. So all you do is push down on it and pop it off. It's a little hard to do with one hand again, so we just push the clip down and then we pop it off. All right, last thing to do is all you do is just twist and the mirror should just come off. Like that. Mirror's off. And then we could replace it with the new one. All right, so I twisted the new one on. As you can see, it is on. Just got to reconnect the connector and put the covers back on. All right, guys, so here's the old mirror. As you can see, all the flaws now. If you put a light to it, like what I'm doing right now, you can really see that this is probably what's going on with the mirror. It's like the fluid or something like that inside the auto dimming. It's starting to fail. So this is what happens. I checked the mirror that I got, that I put in the car. It's not perfect, but it's not like this. There you go, guys. The rear view mirror is fully installed in the car and it seems to be working fine. I can't tell anyways because I have tinted windows, so it's always dim. One thing that I may do with the old mirror is I may open it up just to see how it's, assembled and stuff like that. And seeing if I could reuse the back cover on that one, because as you can see, that one is actually scratched up from the junkyard and stuff. But it is all fully installed. Hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.